one or two have selected only the correct answer. Why don't you recheck your logic? So making you every time recheck your mistakes and bring you to the correct one will be always done by Asta. That is the main motive of Asta. Asta knows that the guts and the necessary traits for being army officer or a leader or exemplary leader that are already in you. Only thing is that you don't know how to polish them and how to bring out them, which are hidden somewhere, which are never being exposed. But definitely Asta is doing that particular polishing. So it is always pulling your leadership qualities and traits so that you will be always still someone is getting the incorrect one. So recheck it. See, I will tell you again. Yes, someone is writing the correct one. So here logic of three different logics are being involved in this particular question, not single one or two. Yes, IS is the correct one, right? So I was talking about the academy. So it is always for the betterment of yours. Okay, let's go through the logic, what is necessary for this one. Fine. So W, E, S, G, P, J, L, N, and here will be the answer. So first find out the relationship between W and S and P, which is L, and that will give you the first letter of your answer. So W minus 4 is S, minus 3 is P. See, whenever I say something minus 4, that means I have kept at a side one page on which I have written A, B, C, D, complete 26 letters along with their numbers on a single page, right? And according, by seeing that particular number, by seeing that particular series, it is very easy for me to explain in this way, right? So minus 4, minus 3, now P minus, it should be 2 according to 3, minus 3, minus 4, minus 3, but it is not. Again, it is minus 4, right? Now, if it is minus 4, so next must be minus 3. So L minus 3 must be the answer I. So first letter of your series of your answer is I. Now, the next one, which you can find out, W, G, J, N, and here will be the answer, right? So, in this case, E plus 2 is G, plus 3 is J, plus 4 is N, and therefore obviously next number should be plus 5, that is N plus 5 is O, P, Q, R and S, and therefore your answer is I, S, which is option C, right? What I said, it involves 4 different logics, or let's say 1, 2 and 3. So ultimately here there is requirement of 3 different logics. That is the important thing. Fine. Next one, B, H, E, C, I, F, D, I, G, E, K, H, question mark. So option A, B, C, and D. Right. So these are your option, which are F, I, T, F, L, I, F, M, I, and F, J, M. Yes, correct. Most of you are getting the correct answer. That is B. Right. Option B, F, L, I. Fine. So what is the logic here in again? Okay, plus 6 minus 3 alphabetical order. Yes, someone had written the right one, alphabetical order. Right, so let's go through by alphabetical order. B, H, E, C, I, F, D, I, G, E, K, H, and here will be the answer. Right, so A, B, B, C, D, E, so F, H, I, H, I, it should not be J, it should be, sorry, it should be I, J, not I, D, J, right, H, I, J, and K, so obviously here it must be L, and the last one is E, F, G, H, I, therefore F, L, I, option B is your answer. So this is the B. So B is your answer. Fine. Now, next one. Suppose instead of that complete series, if I give you a series M, T, P, A, H, B, N, W, L, F, C, R, O, K, E, U, Z, S, V, Q. So this is series given to you. Fine. So M, T, P, A, H, B, B, N, W, L, F, C, R, O, K, E, U, Z, S, V, Q. And the question is P, Z, H is 2, W, O, B is 2, question is 2, S, W, C. Fine.
Sir, it's clear. All is visible, sir.
Yes, yes.
At my side, all is visible, sir.
Okay, okay. I have read it. So this is your question. And options for A, B, C, and D. So O, L, L, O, F, W, R, L, W, K, F, L. Why don't you recheck Karthik, whether it is RLW or something else? Forget about the earlier series, what you have written. Recheck your answer. Pranav. Rushabnath. So given series is there, and according to that given series, you have to find out first the logic exists between these. Yes, now most of you are getting the correct one. Right. So let's write P, Z, H, W, O, B. Here will be answer. S, W, C. Now find out the relationship if it exists in between. Right. So the first letter P plus something plus something plus something will yes. So what is difference between these? So P plus, now see here, P 1, 2, 3, 4, then W comes. That means plus 5. Fine. So let it be for a while, because in order to check the next one, if it is here and something we have to find out next one, that would be better. Right, now we have to find out a next relationship. Right. So Z, O, and W. Fine. So P and O. So P and O. Sorry, Z and O. So Z, O, 1, 2, 3, 4. Right. So by minus 4. Fine. And the next one, H, B. Okay, we'll use H, B, and here will be the next letter, and this C. So HB is having relationship, here is H, here is B, so plus 1. Now see, we have a little bit settled down or established the relationship. Now, if you add plus 5 to W, so W is here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so O. So let's write O. Right, then O minus 4. So O is here. So O minus 4 is 1, 2, 3, 4. So it should be L. Right. O, 1, 2, 3. Okay, if we consider minus 4, then it will come L, right? And okay, before that, I will just, so we have added W plus 5 is O. Now O plus 5 must be S. So let's correct, let's go through. O is here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? So yes, so this logic is fine. Right, so plus 5 is fine. Now, minus 4, if B minus 4, if I check where is B, sorry, not B, O minus 4 is 1, 2, 3, 4. So that will come L, right? And again, if L minus 4, That means 1, 2, 3, 4. H must be here, but here is not H. So this is not -4. So let's go for -3. Next one. Right. So O, 1, 2, 3. -3 is F. Now the same is exists between these two. 1, 2, 3, N. It is not. So can you go for, so this is -3. So can you go for now -2? So here is F. 1, 2, -2 is W. That means -3, -2, -4. The second logic is also correct. Now B plus 1. Right? Or yes, you can do like that as well. Fine. So here H plus 1 is B plus let's say 1. So B plus 1 is, where is B plus 1 is N? No. Right. And again, if you add plus 1, so it is not C. Then add 2. Fine. So it is the B plus 2 will give you the W. So here is B plus 2 give you W. And now W plus 1, 2, 3 is, so this plus 2 and this is plus 3 is C. And therefore OFW is your option, and which is nothing but the option B. Right. So answer is B. Fine. So sometimes this kind of question may be asked. Next one. Now it is independent of this particular series. Fine.
Yes, Dhruval.
Sir, I didn't understand
Kai.
12th one.
Okay. So first you have to find out the relationship in between these two. Right. If it is plus 5, then you add. Now see, it is very simple. Right. So as usual, whatever the complete series you consider, this question is easier than that particular series, because you have to every time see here only. So this is your logic, and this is your question. So P plus how much is W? So P plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plus 5 is W. Right. Again, if you add plus 5 to next one, that is W plus 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is O. Right. Again,
Yes.
O plus, now this should be exist in between these two, because it is existing in between the previous. So O, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So O plus 5 is again yes. Therefore, this plus logic of 5 is fine. That is exists, and that is very fine. Now next one. So Z minus 4 is W. So Z 1, 2, 3, 4 minus O. Now we are going for the next one. So O minus 3, 1, 2, 3 is F, right? And if F minus 2 is 1, 2, that is W, that means this logic is also true or verified. Now last one, the H, where is H? Here is H.
Yes.
So H and B. So H and B is here, that means there is plus 1, right? Then if it is plus 1, here it has been increased, here it has constant, now here it will be decrease, here it will be increased. So B plus 2 is W. So or the B plus 2 is W. Now W plus 3 is C. So W 1, 2, 3 is C. And in this way, again, third logic is also verified. That is the case.
Okay, sir.
That means every time you have to look for this particular series. And that is nothing but the way of finding out the logic.
Yes, sir.
Fine. Next question. A, B, C, Z, comma, Y, X, W, D, comma, E, F, G, V, comma, U, T, S, H, question mark. Options are A, B, C, D. Is anyone having the answer before I write the options? So options are I, J, K, R, I, K, L, O, R, P, Q, K, Q, P, O, L. Whatever the options you are writing is not in options, or that might be the typographical mistake from your side. Yes, option A is there. That's fine. So let's see how it is. A. So what has happened? A, B, C. For a while, I will write Z here. W, sorry, Y. Okay, I will write it as where I should write. So I will write here Y, X, W, and let's say D. Fine. This is, I'm writing for my understanding. I know what is going to happen. Right. So this is your first letter. Sorry, first given series. This is second one. Fine. The next one, which you can have, is E, F, G. I will write V here. Right. So this is again making a. Now next one is U, T, yes, and H is here. Right. So I will make it like this. So what has happened in this case? So if you go A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, so no doubt here it will be I, J, K, and I can write here, say L, M. Then I have written N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. So these are the four different series or the numbers which are given for you. So you can find out the next one. So it is I, J, K, and the logic here is it must now form to this one, right? And therefore I, J, K, R, that is your option A is the answer. Nothing has happened in this case. Simply you have constructed the I can say the alphabetical series, right? That's that much easy. If suppose this number is also given here, then what could be the next number, next answer? Can you write? So if I write here, it is, instead of this question mark, I, J, K, and R, and here it is question mark. So what is the answer? And yes, I think option is given, or the answer is given in the options. Yes, Q, P, O, L is your answer. That means here you must have made another L, which is completing your series. Right. So in this way, you can find out your answers. Fine. I think probably the last question of this session, right? So this could be the question. V N O J S K L G P H I D question mark and fine and A B C D. So options are M E F B, M E F A, M A F B, M G F A. Recheck your answer. So option is B, M E F A. Fine, M E F A. Now, what is the logic? Anyone? Yes, minus 3 is the relationship between all of these letters. So V minus 3 is S minus 3 is P minus 3 will M. So N minus 3 is K minus 3 is H minus 3 is E. O minus 3 is L minus 3 is I minus 3 is F, and J minus 3 is G minus 3 is D minus 3 is A. And in this way, the option B is your answer. Fine. So those who want the screenshot of this page, they can. And then those who are really aspiring to be into the NDA, wanted to prepare thoroughly for NDA, for them the very good option is in the form of Asta Academy. And I think from 1st of June, their admissions their admissions are open, and from 1st of June they are going to start their teaching. So those who wanted more information, they may ask to Rishikesh sir or any other personality from Asta, so that you can get the information first-handedly and you get enrolled into the academy. You must have seen some of the sightseeing. You must have gone through. I don't see these technical questions. You may ask these questions to Rishikesh sir or any other, right, about interview and the entrance exam and fees and the amenities are there. What I'm going to tell you, if someone of you have seen the video of that particular academy, right, so it is a very beautiful campus. If you have seen it, away from the city. I think 7 kilometers away from the city. Fine. So that could be the way.
Yes, Danesh. Yes,
कब से
Danesh.
चालू होने वाला है सर? कब से चालू होने वाला है रविवार का सेशन?
1 जून से स्टार्ट हो रहा है आस्था डिफेंस एकेडमी। एडमिशन लाइन स्टार्ट हो चुकी है वेबसाइट पे जाके, या तो फिर आप रजिस्ट्रेशन कर सकते हो वेबसाइट पे जाके।
ऐसा है क्या? चलो
आस्था डिफेंस एकेडमी की वेबसाइट पे जाके आप लोग रजिस्ट्रेशन कर सकते हो। 1 जून से क्लासेस स्टार्ट हो जाएंगे। शार्प 1 जून से स्टार्ट हो रही क्लासेस।
कब से?
Okay, I think I finished with this session. So I will quit the meeting. Rushikesh sir.
यस सर।
करूँ का quit?
Okay, sir. Is anyone have queries related to current today's session? They can ask by raising hands. Last 6 minutes. No, sir.
Okay, fine.
Tomorrow at 9 o'clock in the morning, there will be the English lecture. Tomorrow at 9 o'clock in the morning, there will be the English lecture.